Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Ayiiti. Today I want to take a little bit of time to congratulate Fonkoze on being active in Haiti for 30 years. 3-0. 30 ans pas 30 jours, you know. It's an incredible feat that they have managed to accomplish. They are empowering women, and I firmly believe that empowering women is the first step for us to get better as a society, because it has been proven and studied that when you empower a woman economically, they are more likely to reinvest in their families' well-being, in their children's education, in the local economy. So I'm so happy to know that there's a foundation in Haiti empowering women. Thank you so much, Fonkoze. Merci pour tout ça nous fait. Congratulations, félicitations. Nous c'est Fonkoze.
Découragé, m'sorti an rien, pas j'aime pas changer, pas qu'elle pas capable, c'est comme si m'pas vle. N'a pas résisté changement, pas yon bagay qui fait facile, non, non.